So this is how you can change the clock on your Mac. So first of all, I'm on the home screen, and as you can see, I have the widget in it there. So the first way to change the clock is for the widget. So as you can see, I can hold down on it and grab it, move it to a different place. But when I right click on it, I can click on the size, so I can change it from one size or the small to the medium. And I can as well click on edit the world clock. And this is how I can edit the widget in a sense that I choose the countries, I can reorganize them, and for example, replace the city with something completely different, right? For example, this Italian city, and now the clock is fully set to another location, right? So that's how you can control it. And also you can click on the widget, right click on it and click on edit widgets, which lets you create a new one, right? So if I click on the clock available in here, I can add like a digital clock or something, and now I change the clock entirely. But there are also more things to it. For example, you can go to the settings app on your Mac like this, and when you open it up, you'll be able to change the clock right there. So as you can see, I can find the general section, so it is right there. And if I scroll through it, I can find the date and a time. And in here, if you mean like changing the clock in a sense that you want to switch to a different time zone, right, you can disable the set time automatically, right? If it asks for the password, just type it in or use the fingerprint and choose a different time zone, right? So as you can see, you can either set the date and the time manually or literally just type in the time zone like that and choose like a city, right? Or, type in the country and choose the time zone in it there. Personally, I like to keep it set automatically. That's how I prefer it, but it is up to you. So I hope it helps. Let me know if there are some more thoughts or questions about this. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in a future upload.